How to switch Instagram professional account. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is simply open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account. Once in there, tap on the profile icon or profile picture of yours at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile section. Once in your profile, tap on the three dashboard at the top right corner of your screen and navigate to settings and privacy of Instagram. Now here all you have to do is scroll down unless you see account type and tools, and all you have to do is tap on it. Once you tap on it, in there you will get to see switch to professional account option available there. Now all you have to do is tap on it, and once you tap on it, you'll be navigated to select a category that best describes what you do. Simply tap on the next button available there and choose the category. Example, blogger, artist, business, or any according to your preferences. You can choose whether to show it on your profile or not by tapping on the display profile option available there. Then tap on the OK and continue. Then choose your account type. Choose between creator or business. Then tap on the next, and all you have to do is follow the prompts to connect a Facebook page, optional but recommended, and tap done to finish. And that will be. Now you can simply go back to your profile section and see that you have converted your personal account to professional. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.